Peter was from Picky in South Mississippi, due north of New Orleans. Was the son of a welder, good at putting things together, gonna get a tech school degree. Wasn't money in his wallet, so he couldn't go to college, so he signed up for the Marines, ship him overseas. Well, he landed in Kuwait, was a little too late to...
Hey, what's going on, everybody? Just wanted to take some time to really highlight this project that we're in the process of wrapping up. It's up at Arlington Cemetery. So the scope of work that we did for them up there was a lot of replacing exposed aggregate sidewalk. So we would demo the existing sidewalk out, pour new exposed aggregate sidewalks. We did a lot of asphalt overlay, so we would mill it and then repave it with striping at a couple of like the cul-de-sacs and turnarounds up at the inside the cemetery. And then we did the refurbishing of the historic cobblestones at the entrance of the cemetery, which that was a really meticulous process, demoing and pulling out the historic cobblestones, refurbishing them to be able to reuse them to put them back in place.
Well, it's never good timing when the bullets start flying in a hell of a firefight now. Kept giving them hell and we kept pushing forward, but the medic said another man down. Took her round to the chest, fighting for breath. Hey brother, let me get you out, 'cause that boy bleeds the stars and stripes. That boy's willing to give his life. That boy fights for you, agree or disagree.
There's nothing quiet, there's nothing easy about the work that we did up there. And in order to do it without disrupting the services at the cemetery a whole lot was a big challenge. But we were able to kind of step up to the plate and we figured it out, made it happen, worked a lot of night shift. You know, I think they're happy with the service that we provided up there. We're able to work at a site like Arlington National Cemetery and play by their rules, then I'm confident that we can go anywhere around here and be able to make it happen for people. So it was a breath of fresh air that we were able to make it happen, and it turned out really well. And thanks to the team, and thanks for Arlington for giving us the opportunity to work with them.
Don't need a folded up flag or 21 gun, just a simple headstone that reads, here lies Peter from Picky in South Mississippi, due north of New Orleans.